Hello viewers, greetings from Boston, hope you are all well. In this video, I wanted to do the opening ceremony of the mooncake because autumn has started here in North America. This is the perfect time to have this mooncake. And one of our friends brought this from China, so I kept this for a month, and then this is the perfect time to open and share with you guys. Let's see what's in it. I'm just gonna open the box and see what's in it. I think my husband, he already had one from this box. Okay. This is how it looks like. It looks, nicely packed, and I am impressed with the package. It's very good. It's very different from the cakes we have in the Western countries. I never had one of these cakes. I am very eager to open and see what is it like. Let me cut this and just see what's in it. Because I never had one of these before, as I said to you. I wonder what is it like. I think most of the cakes are made by lotus seed, sugar, water, egg yolk, wheat flour, and kidney beans paste as well. And this particular one has an egg yolk inside, and it looks like something is stuffed inside, paste-like. I really don't know what is it like. I really need to taste this, and then I can tell you guys. I never tasted one of this, so what I did was I made a cup of tea just in case to drink it after eating, and I'm gonna taste it and will tell you what is it like. This is sweet. It's made by lotus seed. There's a egg yolk inside, and wheat flour, and white kidney bean paste maybe, and definitely it has a peanut oil and rapeseed oil. I can peanut oil definitely is coming through with the smell, I can tell you that. This mooncakes not good for the people who has allergy with the peanuts, that's for sure. Okay, I have done one cake, and I don't think I can eat too much. And there is another box. It looks a smaller one, and I thought initially this must be a chocolate one. I'm too excited for this, but it is not a chocolate one. But it is a smaller size than the other big one. And I really don't know how I am gonna use all of this. I don't think I can finish these things, so I may have to share it with my friends. Now this is a smaller one which I have opened it. It's very different from the other one I had. This one has a little bit of a raspberry flavor. It's like a Turkish delight. Inside, the filling is like a Turkish delight. It's probably bean paste and wheat flour and sugar stuff. And these cakes also have a sodium carbonate, potassium carbonate, and potassium sorbate. So, I mean, it's very, very different from what we have. It is a good experience. So, it's not funny that I'm making this video, because I'm sure a lot of people did not have this type of cake. I thought I will share and let you guys know about this. Okay. You can see these ingredients in here. It does have a lotus seed, sugar, water, egg yolk, wheat flour, white kidney bean, peanut oil, rapeseed oil, mung bean, eggs, sodium carbonate, potassium carbonate, potassium sorbate. It's very, very different. Thank you for watching this video. I really wanted to share and show you guys, this is a very different cake, and I wish all the Chinese community happy autumn. Thank you for watching Rani Vani channel. There are 3 things I like to request. Please, if you like it, click on that thumbs up button and share it with your friends, and hit that round Rani Vani button to subscribe it, and also click on that notification bell as well. Thank you so much. See you soon. Ciao.